We're close enough. Oh, wait. I messed it up. Wait, while it's doing that, let's get this ready. Okay. One thing at a time. Right? Right. Let's do this. Don't know if anyone listens to 21 Pilots, but I got a song stuck in my head. Okay. Maybe it goes like that. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out eventually. One thing at a time. Right, right. Hey, David. How you doing? I'm better today. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling more like a human today. That's good. That's good. You know, I didn't wake up on the wrong side of the bed. It's Friday. We got this. We got this. It doesn't help that I low-key want to go make my second cup of coffee now. It'll be great. It'll be dandy. Ooh, this took out a lot over here. Nice, nice. David, how you doing? If I've missed, anyone else's nightmare, yeah, I saw that. You've at least 10, David, wait, but what time of the day is it for you? Yeah, what time of the day is it for you? Yeah, night. I'm sorry. That's all I have to say. I'm really, really sorry. That really sucks. This little bastard. It's fine. Better mindset, better mindset. We're in a better mindset today, so we got this. We got this. Let me mark out the points of interest. No, didn't touch it. Nearly touched it. Anyways. That's it. It's probably 6 p.m. Friday. Damn, guys. 6 p.m. and you're having coffee. Does coffee help you sleep, David? Yeah, I do. Well done. Yeah, it's good. Hey, hi, live. How you doing? How's it going? How's everyone doing? Are we ready for this? Are we ready for this? We've got this. We've got this. We've got this. We've got this. Yes. Let's do this. Ah, thank you. David, are you good? Are you good? Are you good? Ooh, nice. Also live on YouTube selling gold. That's very cool. JJ, I think I asked you this yesterday. But like I said, my brain was not really here yesterday, so I apologize. But, how long have you been trading for again? Okay, taken. Wait, there's a lot of liquidity down here. Okay, I need to mark up my levels and oh, there's a lot that I have to do. Meow. Okay, cool. So ES did come for all of this juicy nom liquidity earlier. Very, very nice. I did think it would, but you know. You can never be 100% sure. So much liquidity. Okay. I must just keep track, but it gives me an idea of where we might be headed. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it just carries on. Awesome source. We got ES up and running. Now I need to do my key Livolies here. Oh gosh, sorry, I've missed a lot of messages. Jay, what happened? Boom Banana? Heyo, how's it going? Coffee turned into stream on a weird ass there, girl. You know it. Damn, Jay, okay. Been trained for 5 years now. Ooh. 5 years is hectic. How long did it take? I don't know if I should ask this, because sometimes it makes me feel better, sometimes it makes me feel like I'm a bit of a flop. How long did it take you to become profitable? Or, you know, how long did it take it for something to just click? Thanks, Jay. No, don't worry. Got it. Clover, what's up? Why does everything look different today? Is everything different today? No, am I just seeing things? Um, 60% of traders leave without profit. Yes, Clover. Those are the ones that, in my opinion, and just from what I've heard, right? I mean, I've only been doing this for a few months, so this is what I've heard from people. And the 60% of traders that leave without profit are the ones that don't want to put the time in and effort, and sometimes quit before it clicks. Does that make sense? I hope that made sense. Yeah, Jay, the more screen time, the faster you learn. It's why I do try to get the 4 hours every day. I don't know, I think 4 hours is enough, I think, or else my brain would fry. So, yeah, I think. Aldo Damon, are you from South Africa as well? Krishna, what up? How's it going? How's it going? How many hours left till 4K? What do you mean, David? Ah, okay, yep. Justin, what's my understanding of VWAP and how do I use it in my process? So, Justin, with regards to my VWAP, I don't trust it 100%. It's why it's my confluence. Because for me, price, especially the NQ, doesn't always respect it. It respects it quite nicely on the ES though, from what I've seen. But I mean, like I said, it's the weighted average. Sometimes it pops into it beautifully and rejects off of it nicely. And other times, meh. Other times it just goes straight through it and you just kind of go, okay, it could have just not been there. But that, yeah, sorry, I just use my VWAP as a confluence. Jay, what's up? I see Maya. I can get memberships. David, I feel like I'm being now blonde. What do you mean by memberships? Sorry, I'm like, what? Jay, what's my typical RR 1 to 2R? Elder, obviously. Same as saying, how's it? Right? But Damon, so a friend actually helped me start out. So Aldo, how long have you been trading, or what? Yeah, give me some backstory. Maybe I can help you out a little bit. I can give you tips based on my risk tolerance. What do you mean by risk tolerance? Anyways. Clover, there we go. See, that's really good. And I was actually having this discussion with DJ yesterday. Well, DJ and Bob, I hopped onto Discord after my stream, and we had a bit of a talk about like strategies and I read this somewhere, and we brought it up again during the conversation. I was like, this is actually such a nice way of looking at it. So shout out to DJ. I know she's asleep, but still, it was, especially in the first year, if you think about it. Sorry, short story long. Be prepared. I have ADHD. My brain goes everywhere. So short story long, you know, people go to university and study for 4 years. They pay for that study, and they take 4 years to learn something. Trading theoretically is no different. You're basically studying, but the difference is you're trying to teach yourself. Well, luckily I got you guys, but still, in general, you're trying to teach yourself. So you can almost see your losses, especially in the first, let's say, 1 to 2 years, as tuition. If that makes sense. I don't know if you guys agree with me, but I thought that was quite a nice way of looking at it. So instead of being like, no, I'm just not getting anything right, da-da-da-da-da, it's a nice way of thinking about it without feeling like you're just, yeah, completely useless. Hey, Aldo, it's fine, don't worry. Both work. Thoughts of you? What strategy am I using? I'm using my own little strategy. Boom, banana, I did see you. How's my day? Can you tell it's a little bit better? I didn't wake up so grr with the world. Trade delicious. What's up? How's it going? How's everyone? That's what's different. Everything has an @ sign on it today. That's weird. Okay, sorry. That was bugging me. Oh, thanks, Trade Delicious. Clover bait. Yeah, actually, that's pretty accurate. Profitable means your win rate's over 50%. Risk tolerance is how much profit you aim for. Oh, okay. Got it. I trade the mean vision back to crypto Daniel. No, not really. So like I said, I try and stick with my strategy. Try to, being the key word. I've been going through a lot of mental things with regards to it. No one warned me that this would be a freaking self-awareness journey. I knew it would be a journey, but not a self-awareness journey. My gosh. Anyways. You're in short on your funded account. Ooh, okay, nice. Okay. Okay, Aldo, good luck with the meeting. 100% nice, Clover. Yeah, I thought it was just a nice way of looking at it, especially while you're still learning. Just think of it as tuition and just go from there. Hey, Super Trader, what up? How are you doing? User OC4Z07QE2W. Hi. Happy Friday. How's it going? Am I winning today? Oh, I haven't even traded it. Maybe I need to focus. Sorry, my energy's up here, which means the focus is not so great. But let's now focus. Let's focus. Let's focus. Let's see how this would have turned out. Oh, this, no? Still would have just missed me. Damn, that would have sucked. Okay. Night, I'm just saying, this is heading down. Like you predicted. Just putting it out there. And thanks for the new subs, guys. If anyone was watching yesterday and is joining today, this is my personality. I apologize about yesterday. My head was not in the right space. Polynesian vibes. Yeah. How's the trading going? I haven't placed a trade yet today. Trading yesterday was disgusting. Disgusting. But like I said, mentally, bad place. Probably shouldn't have traded, but it's fine. See Discord for your entries and target. Yeah, no. Yeah. But you're locked out, aren't you? Or can you trade? What's happening now? Reds, hi, how's it going? Hey, Zabach, how's it going? How are you? Maya, do you want potential entry signal for the long? Go on, Jay, I'm kind of curious. So when you think it's going to go long, do you think it's going to be a proper push up? Also, what do you try and look for? What are your indicators? There we go. I was going to say markers. I was like, what are your indicators? What indicators do you tend to use, Jay? Polynesia, what happened yesterday? I think that's enough said. I just woke up in a bad mood. Just don't trade angry. Not worth it. Then I lost 3 trades. Theoretically, it's not bad. It's just not ideal. Yeah, it's just not ideal. And it's because I was just making silly mistakes because I was angry, and then I would get FOMO, and then, you know, if your mind is just not in it, do not trade. I'm saying that more for myself. I'm yelling at me. Anyways. Hey, baby new. What up? Night, you have... Oh, right. Okay, you have 3 accounts. Okay, cool. So you watching out for yours. 5325. $395. Okay, so up here. Nope. Did I click it? I did. Okay. J. See? Now your name is there so that I remember. Use quaint analysis. Oh, okay. Cool. And you've been doing this for 5 years. I'm assuming profitable. I'm assuming. Sorry, I know it's bad to assume, but... You found yesterday was hard, but Wednesday was tough for you. The hard days give us the tools to refine our strategy. That's it, right? I mean, yesterday I realized in wiki markets, guess you could say choppy markets, but you know, it was choppy with hectic wicks yesterday. The 4-hour strategy could work really well. I'm just a little bit nervous, but maybe I just start with it and just trade like 1 micro, and then as I build confidence in it, I can maybe start using it. But now, you know, now I just need to recognize the correct markets for my 2-hour and my 4-hour strategy, right? Pure math. Ooh, okay. 359. Got it, because I was about... Where's 359? 559. So, Jay, were you like a math whiz at school? The zones and levels give the mind the tools to react. So Polynesian vibes, I do both London and New York session. Yeah, I do both. So I tend to do like around 2 hours London and then 2 hours New York session. So I have 4 hours screen time, 4 hours trading time in total. I don't trade every day. That's a lie. I tend to trade every day, but you know, I need to remind myself that it's day trader, not everyday trader. Even if I'm just here learning things, forward testing a little bit, it's not the end of the world. Yes, cool. Clover, you closed Most of your long positions have a bad feeling for the start of November. I don't see how markets are going to keep the overvalued prices up without a giant correction. Clover, you don't think we had a giant correction earlier when it dropped hectically? Or are you thinking it needs, like, more of a correction? Considering how much I'm earning. Razvan, you don't know what I'm earning, do you? Clearly not. Anyways, JPEG Overlord, heyo, how's it going? Ace Ventura, how you doing? So this is supposed to have a string. It came off and I can't for the life of me figure out how to put it back on correctly, so it is what it is today. Damn, look at you go, Jay. Sure. Jay, what's your win rate out of curiosity? You don't have to tell me if you don't want to. I'm just curious. 28 from here, technically and I took out previous area. It is humid up in here today. That's as far as we go. Never mind. Okay. Shoot. Focus. Damn it. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, Jay, so do you think this is gonna go down further? What are your predictions? What? Really? Polynesian vibes. To be fair, recently I've been preferring London for some reason. I don't know, maybe New York, I don't know. I don't know what it is. Ben Jones, how long do I normally stay in a trade? I guess it depends on the market. Until it either takes me out or hits TV. Tomorrow, CPI 830 bull trap. Oh, for me, that's today. Got it. And data, big opportunity. Ooh, okay, thanks. Frank, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Highlight, you're going long if no one argues against. Shh. Only true trader. Good morning. How's it going? How's it going? 85%. Oh, you and Boom Banana must have conversations. He also has a win rate of 85%. Oh. Damn, Clover. Okay. Okay, Clover, let's see. I'm genuinely curious to see if it drops that far. That's hectic. That is hectic if it does. What am I asking Jay if he took Mensa test? Jay, did you take the Mensa test? Yes? Amnesia, okay. I've been hearing something. Hey, Jordy, how's it going? Did it help you sleep though? If it helps you sleep, then I don't see the problem. Luvitz, I think you did mention XRP, yes. Ariane, please trade gold. If the market pushes this down, maybe next week. Maybe next week. Let me sort out my brain cells first with this little Nasdaq diva, and then I'll have a look at gold. If the market pushes this down, it'll hit 25331. Okay. Little reaction here. Tap into the order block. So we're gonna go further down. I mean, I gotta show. This is not the best setup. Yeah, Clover. Boom's good. Boom's good. But I gotta be mean to him. It's like the rules here. That's not bad though, Knight. Well done. Whoop whoop. That's really not bad. Got a little bit of respect going on around here. Might be a little bit of a higher push. Yep, there's that higher push. Luvitz, what? Jordy, doubt to trade today, but I'm gonna study the hell out of Tom's model. I'm perhaps run the TMT model through a sim. Ooh, I mean, Jordy, go for it. I think that's a great idea. Okay, a little bit of a... I wanted to take this. I'm proud of myself for not, because I did not have enough confluences, and it did hit this little bit of an order block situation. What does it look like on the higher time frames as well? You need gold to dump and correct so you can get in. Ooh, okay. TMT model sounds good. Use a woof? What? Okay, cheers, Jay. Enjoy. Woo! Hey, look at me listening to myself. How weird. I don't normally do that. Here we go. Let's see, what does this look like on the... not that. On the 15-minute, that's 12. Oh. The 15-minute, that is the level. I do think it needs to then go down more. Okay. Yeah, TMT, teach my trading. It sounds like the bomb. Get it? TNT. Got it. I thought it was funny. Anyway, Asia trying to go gold, US trying to go crypto. But you do. You really, really do, Polynesian vibes. Every single day, I learn something new here. It's wild. Yeah, so this is my strategy. So like I said, I'm glad I didn't take it. My entry would have been here for a short. Yeah. So that's why I'm glad I didn't take it, because yeah, there just wasn't enough confluences for me. I hate my VWAP with a passion, but it is what it is. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, nightmare. Yeah. Hey, Carlos. How you doing? I finally have a red folder who's full porting with me. Oh, gosh. Team of money traders. Oh, Jordy. That was cool as hell. I'm saving that. So I got super excited there. That is awesome. I love it. Where's my notepad? Notepad. I don't even think you want to see what my notepad looks like. It is just absolute freaking chaos. Goodies, I have the best tasting toast. Ah, is that what I felt last time? That's very creepy. Anyways, moving on. Oh, goodness. Jay, be nice tonight. He's been here since day one. Y'all play nice. Good. Yesterday I was down for the drama because I was in a bad mood. Today, we are nice to each other. We are respectful traders. Most of the time. Your ES levels for the week are okay. FC5 is vector 3. Top 4 to 1 to stage. Range to the upside. Okay. Okay. Nightmare and cooked. Either way, risk is above and some. Good luck with the translate, Maya. What time is my evening stream usually? Oh, clever. So normally I'll do EST time for you. I start 9:15, so 15 minutes before New York Open. And then I tend to trade until around 11:30 EST time. Jordy, let's celebrate your name change like a full port Friday. Only true trader. You're being that bad little voice today. The back of everyone's head going, just do it, just do it, just do it. Okay, Jay, if you're still here, it's hit that level. Does this mean it's going to go up now? So I even made a note here that says Jay. Does that mean it's going up? If Jay's still here, I don't know if Jay's still here. He said he was going, but then he was still, I'm very confused. Polynesian vibes, yeah, I'm new. I've only been trading since April. This is why it's Maya trading. Not Maya teaching trading. Nope. Room vibes and lighting on point. Hell yeah. Fighting for Maya's love. Chart looks great. Am I down in candles, gray or white? I guess they. Yeah, I mean gray. I mean, there's different kinds of white. I could like say eggshell white. No, I'm joking. I don't know. They're just either or. John Smith got funded for the first time. Oh, whoop whoop! That's amazing, John Smith. Well done, George. Good morning. How's it going? How's it going? That is amazing. Hey, David. Don't worry. I think they sorted each other out. I'm not sure. No, alright. Just what I wanted to see. A bounce to go hit first. Yes, area to short to work out. Time highs short, but if momentum's too strong, we might continue past all-time highs. Ooh, okay, night. Let's see. Thank heavens I did not hop in on that. Okay, about to hit this zone here. See if it bounces off of it. Oh, little bounce. Oh, big bounce. Bigger bounce. I just don't see any clean structures for my setup just yet. Here would have been the best. I was just a tad bit late because I have too much energy and I was not focusing. That's on me. Focus. Do you want to know what my dad taught me focus stood for? And I was like, that's rude. I can't, you know, and I can't stop thinking about it every time I say focus. Hey, the rip morning. Yep, but that's fine. The rip, how's it been going for you today? Carlos, really? That's amazing. Well done. You're doing better than I am. That is awesome. I'm really, really proud of you. Whoop whoop for you, because that is awesome. Mm-hmm. There's a sign for full port. Literally wait for manipulation, then boom, full port the continuation. Only true trader. You trouble. You big trouble. Okay. Yeah, didn't take this out. Took out some liquidity though. Ugh. Man. Five minute. Ooh. 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 These strong candles down are not looking promising. Excuse you? About to knock over my lights, my man. Just drink water. No, don't tell me what to do. No, I'm joking. Hi, how you doing? How's it going? True trader. Actually, that's a good point. Where's Markano been? He was the peer pressure guy. That means nothing when news are already. Ooh, Marvio, that's valid actually. Long moving arrow for sure. 1 to 2 on trade. Oh, Jay, you're still here? I thought you were going. People ever be cautious. Okay, why, Ahmed? Christian Kutsia, good morning. Good morning, how are you doing? Oh, night. You're awesome. Wow, it properly. 1, 2, 3 times. Hold that, yeah. Okay. Before New York price can get cleaner. Oh, okay, probably. Well, let's see the rip. Let's see what this appears to want to do. One more up and down, then you're in for long. Really? High life? Why are you waiting for one more up and down out of curiosity? Christian could see. Out of curiosity, are you South African? With that name? Anyways. Oh, my trading week was rubbish. putting it out there. My trading week was shocking. Absolutely shocking. But it's a new day and it's Friday and we've got this. Let's do this. You removed reading market wizard. The turtle way. Okay. Oh, nice, Christian. Samesies. How's it going? How's it going? Jane, I think Knight was genuinely being nice. Just saying. It didn't touch your 3-minute resistance yet. Okay. Oh, got it, got it, got it. That's why. Fourth level here. If anything, for this trade, I feel more confident taking the potential 4R1. I like you need double tap takeover. Okay. David, my bad. I'm sorry. Yeah, apparently I'm an Australian nun. Apparently. Jordy, have you never heard him say that? He comes on here every day, and if I'm not wearing, like, the light headbands, David gets really upset at me. She's Kiwi. Oh my gosh, okay. It's going to dump. KJ and MNQ. We backtest your strategy for at least 5 years. The rip? No, I've only been trading since April. Like, Feb, I didn't even know what candles were, so no, definitely not. 5 years worth of backtesting, damn. Or testing. Hey Kiko, how's it going? How have you been? This very slow downtrend makes me nervous. Be sure 341 could try long, expecting a 2-lane. You may very well float up at night until 9:30 announcement. So what I'm hearing is we're all just kind of sitting and waiting to see what it wants to do, right? Yeah, I have a photographic evidence of David in the army. Hey, Remnant Capital, how's it going? What is Remnant? Jordy, should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I do it? Should I not do it? Nope, I'm not gonna do it. Thinking about the 4R strategy here, and I was like, Jody, you funny. You funny. Hey, Jay, take profits. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Let's see if this goes up. Jay, you didn't give me a short price target. You gave me this. You said this was a high price target. 359, right? 4 hours is big indecision upwards. Oh, thank you. Jay, take profits? What are you trading this morning? No risk it, no biscuit. Ooh! Low key. I'm glad I didn't risk it. Oh, that would have been a loss. My goodness. That was a hectic drop. I have a question and I feel like it might be dumb. I feel like it might be a dumb question. Ooh, nice night. Yes, you did take it. I remember you did say, and it was a win, which is amazing. Whoop whoop night. Boom banana. I'm assuming you're in a short, right? Is that a safe guess? Okay, that would not have worked. That would have, but don't think I would have trusted it. Reds? Why? Ouch. Luckily, I didn't take the trade. So, okay. Okay, Geordie, just remember, you said there's no dumb questions. So on the ES, right? This right here. Like, it's super flat at a resistance level. Like, there's no wicks or anything. And you can see it's a resistance level going further back here. Like, obvious resistance with these wicks. Because it, like, solidly hit a roof, no wicks, no anything, is that a better indication that it's probably going to reject hectically off of that zone? I don't know if that's a dumb question or if that actually means anything, but yeah. Boom banana, they're always dumb questions. No. Oh, I was gonna be mean again. Don't be mean, be nice. Be nice, you're in a good mood. Don't be mean to Boom banana, you're gonna hurt his feelings. Anyways. Boom, with how you were English, good, not English. Where was the 15 minutes? 15 minutes down here, hey. Yeah, okay. So do you think this is heading? Jeez, what is going on with me today? Heading for this 15-minute liquidity? Your week was not bad, you had good and bad trains. I got under the name Silver. Oh! I did not. Wow, that's cool. Okay. You're from sunny Joburg. Nice. I used to be from Joburg. Well, Centurion. Well, it's kind of between the both of them. Boom banana. Anyways. Go to find. There's always dumb. Do it. Say it. Yes. No, I'm not gonna be mean to Boom banana. It's fine. It's fine. See, I'm being a nice human being. I know that's weird, but still. Okay. No, price will throw back to that zone usually to liquidate that, and we'll go through it. On ES mini future. Oh, okay, cool. So it means nothing. Giovanni, do I prefer fat men or very skinny men? I prefer smart men. Boom. Nope. That just didn't run up anywhere to get me. Boom banana. I know, Boom. What do you think? Nice, or is it making you uncomfortable? It's low-key making me uncomfortable, but I'm trying to be nice. In retail terms, it's a double top. All the first just that. It's important to run that high. Okay. My life kids stop fighting. Who? Who's fighting? Nice, Jay. Yeah, good call. Means it's a good target usually. Okay, cool. Thanks, Rip. Oh, Diamante, put on 2 to 3 micro short and go to sleep. I mean, it's the middle of the day for me, so I can't nap during the day. Oh. Boom, how did you do? What even is that shirt? It's actually not a shirt. It's a what's it called? It's not a onesie. It has a name. But if you're asking about these, it's supposed to have a string, but the string came undone and I cannot for the life of me figure out how it's supposed to go, so I gave up. Anyways. Fast moves on. Bull signals bull and go short. Okay. Also, here's Boom being mean to me. What the heck? Why are you being mean to me? Also, it is a long sleeve. Look, whee. It's really nice. Probably one of my favorite photos is of me wearing this. Not copy trading accounts together is trouble because I have different profit goals on different accounts. Ooh. Boom, and you're being a bully. And I'm being nice to you today. What has the world come to? Let's check this level. Do we still think it's headed for the 15-minute liquidity before it... Where's Mac? Check 2 minutes. Ew. Here's a nice little inverse fair value gap. Oh, look, there's an even better one. Holy guacamole, though. How big is this? Oh, that's not that big, never mind. I don't know why I'm saying holy guacamole like that. Cool. And I haven't checked the hour. Let's check the 1 hour. Okay. Taking out that liquidity. I can actually delete that now. Nightmare, we're going down to 311 area. Hey, okay. I wonder if it'll come back up to get me in though. I like this entry level. Boom Banana, are you saying this is mid? You're so rude. Well. Your short target is 270. Damn, Diamante, nice, 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 nice. Boom Banana, you are not nice. Being a bully. This is cyberbullying. You guys are all my witness. Jordy. Nice. Do I prefer that guy, Jordy, or Boom Banana? Oh my gosh. I mean, I feel the fact that I've never met either of them in person. And what difference does it make? I love them all. Rip. Okay, let me have a look. Every day on your channel. Okay, sorry. I'll go check it out now. The rip. 69 spare. What up? Boom, why saying no? No, make me feel like I was nice, and that was not the intent. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Is it going to retrace this high up low? Oh, that looks like it is. Hello. Oh my greatness. Wait, let me just make this smaller so it's not taking up half of the world. Let's see, I don't know if it's gonna go up that high. What's that mean? This is mid sharp. 91789 for buyers. There's been no volume, so wait for London open and see where they take it. Has London not opened yet? I feel like London's opened. 69 spare. Why? Oh. Oh, shoot. Cool guys are here. Wait, give me a second. That's my dog freaking out at them. Oh, he's not happy. I may or may not push. In running there to try and stop the poor man being eaten, I may or may not have accidentally punched a wall. Breathe. There's a bunch of sellers' orders on the ask price could go back up. Okay. Damn, okay. Oh, okay. Bunch of spoofers up top. Oh, damn. Okay, yeah, okay, I was just checking. Open New... That's New York City. Sorry, guys. He's being just the best guard dog ever. So, Diamante, you don't think this is good? Hey, Vaza, what's up? Diamante, where did you say those contracts were? UK would 8:30 AM for London Open. Huh, there we go. Oh my greatness. Okay. Ah! Carrier. No, I have not. Big candle coming. Good luck. Sun FX Pro Gold. Which direction? Saying big candle coming does not help. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do then? I'm still gonna take this, but I'm gonna take it with less contracts. Right, just mitigate the risk a little bit. Really? I'm mitigated. Less contracts. Let's see, just that I stick with my strategy. Right, learn where it can improve. Pet Boy 95, I haven't gotten any trades in today. Yeah. Sorry, just ignore my dog. Ranging at midnight. Oh, nah, midnight open was further down, wasn't it, Jody? Yeah. Yeah. Aw, poop. If you have a bunch of spoof photos up there, right? Just a thought. Oh, okay. Okay, Jordy, I know. Go on, Raph, why not? Okay, Jay, thank 25331. Oh yeah, I did. Nice. Nice, Jay. Well, Jay, do you think it's gonna keep going down? Do you think it's gonna retrace back up and then go down? Is it gonna go up for the contracts? Here's the real test. Okay, what, Raph? That sounds very weird. What is it? Might get there. Yes, it's already there too. Oh, okay, I see. I think personally going down a bit for short of a bracing. Always wait for confirmation on the candle closing. No. Yep. Valid user. Jay, you think it'll go back up? I think it wants to take out the 15-minute liquidity. Oh, but it's gone too far down now for me. Okay. Can't say I didn't take it. I just wanted it to retrace up a little bit higher, fill in that inverse pay value gap it made. Am I betting on the chart? No, what? Sun FX, I do. Malaking, what's up? How's it going? You have to drink a pint, I'm assuming, right? before you begin your trades. Is that a good idea? Jody! Okay, here's that 15-minute liquidity taken. Nice. Dang it. I'm so sorry. Just ignore him. Oh, nice. Does it help you? Yeah, I can't even take this range because it just took out the liquidity. Below, which means it's very risky, and it's just hit fair value up on ES. So could bounce solidly now. What's his name? Perry. His name is Perry. Don't let price tell you what's going to happen. Don't try and predict. Yep. Hey, John Smith. How's it going? How are you? No. I'm not. He's not barking at me. The pool guys are here, so he's barking at the pool guys. He's not asking for love. He's just being a guard dog, which is good. It's good. That's why I'm not yelling at him. Aw, cool. Harry the platypus. Yeah. Potential for the 4R? Maybe? No. Maybe. No, Rashi, why do you assume that they are poor guys? He barks at anyone that comes onto the property. Because he's a really good guard dog. He'll probably lick them to death, but they don't know that. His bark sounds scary. Agent B was my guy. Hell yeah, Geordie. See, Sham 1. Where do I reckon it's going to? No idea. So I'm not gonna even try and predict what's happening. Oh, no, maybe this one. No. I was just about to say, imagine this was a goodie for the potential 4R strat. Dimanta, you just think up. And Sun Pro Gold, you think it's good to sell now. Let's see who's right. Dimanta, we're going to all-time highs at 60 points away. Pro Gold, what, 80%? And Oily 999, you think sell as well. I could do this, go above the relative equal highs, have a short entry there, and then go to a mid at least. It's okay. Yep, maybe it's not okay. Not okay. So Asia mid is there, right? So is this the rip? Do you have that as your level? 333 there. They're gone. You're okay. There we go. Okay. Geordie, interesting how everyone has... Yeah, sometimes it does. And then I have to remind myself to just zone out. Well, not zone out. But you'll see sometimes I then go quiet and then I stop looking at the chat and then I try and stick with my compliments. Sorry, Diamante, I'm sorry. Diamante, today is the day for all-time highs. Knight, do you agree? I know Knight agrees with you. Knight agrees with you. Yusuf, follow the trend. Yep, so okay, the 4-hour strat also would not have worked. Whoop, here we go. Took out. Chance New York, upper range. Eight, 0. Oh, is that what you're saying? Oh, got it. Yeah, this. Right? Here we go, so 281. That's what you mean. Compare theories to range of the range of the magnets and then trust your gut and refine that strategy. Thanks, SF. That's, yeah, 100%. Market giving entry sign, new zone. For cells, right? Ranges or magnets, yes. Oh, and Geordie's think about longing this. Oh my gosh. Just typical futures chop. I mean, this could just be chopping now. It had some decent moves and now maybe it's just gonna chop until New York. Or until news, who knows. $69 bet new. So I'm trying to now figure out. This has two, I guess, maybe more possible strategies. This one, I guess I could make a 4R. Let's maybe make this one a 3R strategy. So the one, depending on volatility in the market, one I started with is this entry at 50%, 0.2 is actually stop loss, and 2R down is take profit. But the one I've been potentially looking at recently is entry at the 0.2 level for a bit more rangy days. I was looking there, but I could just make it, we make it a 3R strategy. There. It would look like so. Yeah. Night, yeah, apparently we do. Hi Life, you want a little short from now on? Okay, cool. Not too deep. Okay. Why not too deep? Geordie, why did you say long? Do you think it wants to fill this gap? Night! Rude, but valid. Zabak, you're in the short, okay. Noah, that's fine. Ask questions, I love it. Market change in a low time frame, careful. Sham, I am. Sham, I am. Sorry. Yes, I am South African. Move entry up a tad if you short bias. And Sun, you think a big candle coming up. In all honesty, right now this is just choppy. And I don't trade chop, so I'm waiting for... I kicked my table. I'm waiting for proper confirmation. I'm not doing a great job today. 25307. Okay. Got it. Got it. A little bit confused, but I got it. Diamante, no, because I keep calling them and they haven't had any sharks recently. So, you know, I want to go back when there's a higher chance that there will actually be sharks. I have been calling them. Sorry, I haven't actually updated you guys on that. But I have been calling them. Yeah, just unfortunately there haven't been a lot of sharks recently. So, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I will do it though. I promise. I keep my word. But I'm waiting for higher, you know, it's a little bit like trading. Wait for a higher probability chance that the sharks will be there. We have nice reference points and levels to figure out. Yeah, Knight, that's valid. Yeah. Pardon me, my internet just gave up. That's okay. That's okay. Oh, Zavach, you're on ES? Oh, okay, damn. Noise? Oh, very noise. Ranging, here we go. 69 bit. I mean, yeah, but I mean, this is a good place to sit and ask questions. If I can't answer, someone on this community will answer. The signals beside that anyone that Jordy was looking at. Tips under EMA without momentum. Everyone is buying, is taking profits, bulls finding value. Okay. We sits and we waits. Looks a little like inverted. Hidden. Oh. Kinda does. Okay, let's see what happens. Cheers, son. Enjoy. You reckon it will return? Sham, I don't know. It might not today. But I think it's anyone's guess. I can only speculate. Hey, Super Trader. Thank you. That's very sweet. Could short this right here. Buyers stepping in. I have 2 trades remaining for the day. I'm up only 220 bucks. I'm gonna take only best trades I find near new. Okay, cool. Nice, 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 nice. Good, good discipline. You've got this. Hey, Rudy. From Italy? No, I never said Italia, but that works. Well, I'm not trading BTC, so yeah. Jay, I didn't, but another viewer did, and they were like, yep, that worked awesome. BTC is going up forever. The guy, Jordy, your target is 354 if anyone cares. I care, Jordy. 354. Why 354? Never mind, I know why. I think. Because it's by those inverted fair value gaps on a higher time frame. Yeah. Right? Right? Am I right? Did I get it right? Rohit, I'm from South Africa. Okay, Jordy, so you're in this. Where was your entry, by the way? Some board sold a lot of contracts exactly at 350. So where my potential entry was for a short. Good morning. Semidu, there we go. No, or was it Semidu? Sorry. So if it falls, this is the bull trap. Yep. Entry at 333. See, Jordy, I'm learning. I'm learning. Slowly, but I'm learning. Damn, that was a good entry. What the heck? Nice, Jordy. Okay, I'll wiggle all my fingers at the monitor. Go up, go up. Let's see if it works. I've heard it's supposed to work. Share my edge. I don't really have one right now, huh? Oh, okay. It's just no... Oh, Jordy, I could have been in on this with you. Check. Huh. Could have been a goodie. It's not very reversal looking. It usually looks like a crown. Interesting. Forget about trading. Let's dinner. Respect yourself? Okay. There we go. Jordy said, hell yeah, let's do it. 69 spare. So this is Project X, actually. Yeah, it's with a... No! Jordy! Why didn't you yell at me? No, my bias was bearish and that was the problem. Got a... Damn. Missed trade there. I say that, I do sometimes need more of a confirmation, so was it a missed trade? I probably wouldn't have taken it. Little T-tap into VWAP. Jordy, let me join you. No, no, that's FOMO, that's FOMO. That's FOMO. Yeah, Jordy, that's why I'm like, part of me wants to be like, no, let me join you. Let me get in on this with you. But that's FOMO, and I'm trying really hard to stop letting FOMO win. User could take a short here. What time frame did I just switch to, Maya? That was key. It was on the 5 minute. Here we go. Yeah. It's having this little U thing happen. I think up to those. I think, Jordy, that's a really good spot. Is it going to reject off the inverse fair value gaps though? Is it going to keep going higher? I think it's going to reject off of them. Okay, yeah, thanks, Jordy. Raja, what instrument am I trading? Well, I'm using my GAN box. I'm on MNQ. There'll be no details. Oh, you might be on the vertical. That's why there's no details. If you pop onto the horizontal, there's everything you need there. Do I trade crypto? No, sorry. Give in to the FOMO. Diamante, no. Stop. Stop. Okay, respect yourself. What is it? Get in now, Maya, you're gonna miss out. You're not bad. Why? Diamante, someone play you in chess. Geordie? Well, actually, I would also love to play. I've been really bad with my chess recently. I need to be better. I need to start practicing. Blitz, okay. Do I not use any indicators other than volume? Pet boy, I mean, I use indicators that I see manually, but otherwise, no. Else it just, it becomes a little bit too much. 2, 2, 1. Okay, Raja, you do what you gotta do. Genzino, keep going. Thanks. Am I single? I am. I am. On stream. Diamante, no, I'm gonna get yelled at and then you can see what I'm... Well, I guess you... Doesn't matter what to see. But people are gonna yell at me because I'm bad. BBB token check out. Legit pro and well-known team behind you. Oh, thanks for respect yourself. Let me go and have a look. Oh. There's the clap back from Geordie noise. Oh, I'm in the 1 minute. Why am I being a chop? Ah, okay. Wouldn't have even tagged me in. Yeah, wouldn't have tagged me in regardless. Geordie, this is good. This is really good. How many R's is this for you? The rip, not really. What does it mean? I've heard some people mention, but I've heard like different definitions. What do I think about India? Well, I've never been there, but I've heard it's really nice. Juma, hi, how's it going? Jen Rossi, what's my zodiac? What do you think my zodiac is? Illusion, magic, dream, wealth. I'm hoping for the last one. No, I'm joking. But that's really, no, that's really cool. That's really, really cool. Okay, I'm just gonna call you Gen Z because that's a long name. Hi, how are you going? Amidov, why? Why do you say that? Oh, no, sorry, Jen. Hopefully 2 up, but if it turns back, you're good. Okay, then that's fine. Okay, wait. So, Geordie, your entry was 333, right? Where was your stop loss? I know where your TP is. Well, wait then, never mind, ignore me. I can just figure it out for myself. Don't mind me. Nope, wrong way. Around there, right? So around 322? Taurus, I see mean. Oh my gosh. Oh, Gen Z. No. I'm definitely not a teacher. Definitely not a teacher. Taurus, I see mean. I'm a little bit hurt. I've never been called mean, have I? No, I try not to be mean. But no, not a Taurus, not a Libra either. And not an Aries. Diamante. So apparently, according to Rip, it means illusion, magic, dream, and wealth. Bastian buys. I'm not in this trade. This is Geordie's trade. It didn't take you out yet, hey, Jordy? Partial. Okay, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Pisces, no. Capricorn, no. Damn, guys. What broker is that? This is top 1 futures. And not a Scorpio. This is fun. I'm a Sagittarius. There we go. Okay, Jordy, so partial. Not bad, not bad. The last one was... No, wait, so that was... Wait. Wealth was the last one, but it's illusion, magic, dream, and wealth. Yeah. Jen? Oh. Okay. RTP, what up? How's it going? Or ARTP, sorry. Not RTP, my bad. Please trade with stocks. Why? Out of curiosity. Can't help but feel like I'm cutting myself short when I take a partial, but safety first. Jordy, this was the argument I was having the other day. With are partials even worth it? You know, if you take a partial, you might as well just take it all out. Does that make sense? My hair is so beautiful. Thank you. Try timing the market. Hey, Gen Z, explain, please. I made a wizard. I should maybe try and play that in my next D&D campaign. Anyways. It's not cutting yourself, Jordy. It's called risk management. No, that's fair, user. Karabo, hi. How's Nasdaq futures doing? Ugh. Not great today. I haven't had any good entries yet. I say that at the very beginning I could have maybe had an entry, but otherwise everything's either been running away or consolidating, or it's just taken like a hectic amount of liquidity, so essentially no good setups for me. Yeah, that's about it. No good setups for me. Trade will go up. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Jordy. Always. How many times have you gone break even or whatever, and then it takes you out and then it goes, psych, and it goes back up. It's really rude. Gen Z, how long have I been trading? Only since April. So I'm still new. I'm still figuring things out. It's why it's Teach Maya Trading, not Maya Teaching Trading. Anyone here hoping I can teach them mad skills? No, I'm still trying to learn mad skills. So if you're here and you want to join along for the journey, then let's do it. Bastian, you don't know, you think it's going to dump again. Okay. RDR2, hey, how you doing? The RIP. I don't know if the RIP is in anything. The RIP, are you, oh, never mind. You want some speed to the downside? Jordy? Yeah. That's why I think... Yeah, I think sometimes it's best to literally just get in the trade and sit on your hands. I don't know. See, there's so many different opinions with regards to that. Captured 200 pip crash, nice. RDR2, you're good, you're on vacation. Oh, nice, where you at? Ricky, how's it going? How's it going? I'm good. I'm better than yesterday. Much better than yesterday. How are you doing, Ricky? How's it been going for you? Gen Z, how do I handle emotions? Very badly. No, well, today I've been good. I wanted to hop in on a FOMO one, and you saw I said, nope, don't do it, not worth it. Yesterday was shocking. king. And it's why I had a red day yesterday. Terrible. Ricky, you took a long, I think you're a little bit early, you might move to break even. Okay. Trade with Akash funded account cleared. Amazing! Whoop whoop! That is awesome! 25236. But you believe on it. Okay, Bastian, let's see what happens. Ishan, is it? Huh. Good thing I'm not in a trade then. This was Jordy. I guess, Jordy, you're out of it now, aren't you? Or no, partial was taken. Oh, media, Fatima. That's sweet. Thank you. This actually looks like it's going to run strong support. Request one payout and just start on the trading. Nice. Nice. Okay, Ricky. Let's do this. No, Gen Z. Yeah. That was, so we're having this discussion, I say we, yeah. This discussion earlier, and I thought it was quite a nice way of thinking about it. I was actually chatting to everyone last night in Discord about it. And it was actually Dark Angel. I know she's asleep, but she was the one that mentioned it. And I was like, it's a really nice way of looking at trading and not feeling like you're just failing. If you think about studying, right? You go to varsity for like 4 years and you have to pay tuition and pay these hectic amounts to study and learn for 4 years before you can start making money. You almost have to look at it like that, and every loss is almost a payment towards your tuition. If that makes sense. I hope that made sense. It worked. It helped my brain so much because I went, that's a really nice way of looking at it without feeling like you're just failing. You know, it's gonna take a while to figure everything out. Every trade you make, you could look at it like a payment towards your tuition. Yeah. Sorry, short story long. Jose, I didn't. Sorry, it's been a bad week. BTC USDT, please. White 1947. Sorry. I can go have a look. I can go have a look. What the fuck are two names? I should go. Artie, have an amazing time. I hope it's awesome. Nice hair for a trader. Thank you. That was 87% win rate and 1.2 risk more minimum. Oh, nice. Hey, nice. Akash, that's amazing. Well done. Also, 87% win rate is ridiculous. What? Are you sure that's right? Gen Z, I'm from South Africa. Oh my gosh, guys, what is this? Okay. This sucks. Took some off at 342ish and then break even, so we'll see. Okay, Geordie, well, it looks like it could still be going up. She should. She really, really should. And she's really good at explaining things. Yeah, she's awesome. Bitcoin price action, please. Anyone on Bitcoin right now? She 3 to 5 years. See, and loss equals learning. Yeah, see. Jordy. Yeah, but Jordy, he can't see you. He doesn't know that. Jordy, did you end up buying that little speaker thingy? Want to be a trader but scared, but I practice on demo account. Well, practicing on a demo account is great. How long have you been practicing for, and do you have a strategy that works for you? Oh, no rushing. Nope. South African all the way. Apparently, Jordy, yeah. Clearly, they haven't seen Boom Banana's hair. It's luxurious. It's ridiculous. The volume on it. Oh, sorry, that's for the rip bastion. I was nearly like, what? No, never mind. Jency, thank you. Thanks, guys. SFG, which song? Which song? Traded the cash. You trade Bitcoin, but it trapped you yesterday. Ooh, what happened? Oh, Bitcoin is sideways. Thanks. Thanks, guys. Thank you for the update. Ah, Jody. Only true trader. Hey! Oh, Jordy, it's going. It's going. It's going. Nope, I'm gonna shut up. As I said that, I'll stop. Nice, Jordy. Nice. How do you withdraw the money? What do you mean? I practiced for 3 days before going live. You can't practice for too long, and I don't remember trading. Oh, you don't recommend. Ricky, you don't recommend trading small. Why? Out of curiosity. Do I sell courses? No, I'm not qualified to be training just yet. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I'm qualified to do that. The rip, swing low, and then Asia mid. So the rip, you're in this, right? What? Bruh. What the heck? What the heck? This is how I had it set up earlier. Play a song. No, I am not allowed to do that. YouTube will not be happy at me if I do that. Bruh, why? No, I can't be upset about it. Can't be upset about it. I had valid reason to not get in this. Okay. Come on. We only have like a 15-minute left. Why? Okay, Ricky, trading small creates a problem of people keeping too small risks. Doesn't you need to have a large gains to survive and people who are trading small for years? Brian Walker, thanks for the sub, by the way. I hear you, but if people can only afford to trade small, if that makes... I guess, you know, you shouldn't be trading if you don't have money to lose. Jody? Jody? Whoop whoop? Jody whoop whoop? I think. Jody? Are we whoop whooping? Yo, did it take you? Ah, it's definitely taken Jody out. Whoop whoop, Jody, well done. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Nice trade, Jody. Very, very nice trade. I prefer to size up unless I'm adding to a winner or trading leaps on quality stocks. Okay, STF, that makes sense. What stocks do I trade in the UK? So I don't trade stocks, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Huh, oh, okay. My original idea would have been a loss. No, my original was here. Well, I would have followed it down, so that would have been a loss. Womp womp. Oh well. Damn, Jordy, look at it go. Okay, that makes sense. The reality is that you actually don't need large amount of money. Just experience to be financially free. White, 1947? Yes. That's valid. That is valid. I do hear you. Okay, okay. Okay. I kind of thought, well, that hit the 15-minute flipping liquidity perfectly, and VWAP, and just launched up. No, Bastian, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hey Anthony, what's up? Also, with prop firms, there's no excuse. People lost account with small trades. If they manage and close their trades early, would have won. Most trades turn green before red. Ricky, I hear you. Aww. No, Bastian, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Diamante up, up, up. Yep. Sure, this is going for it. Wow. Problem is now it's run away completely. Diamante all-time high. Yep. Oh. No, actually, that sounds amazing. Do you want to order me one? I'm hungry. Yeah, no, she's gonna rip and just need a small piece though. It's definitely all-time high territory. Not for the faint-hearted in this environment. Nope. Yeah, this is now... Yeah, this is now not ideal. Nope, not that. No, man. This is doing a little bit like seek and destroy. All the way up, all the way down. All the way up again. Is it gonna go all the way back down? Okay, I mean, not doing it so much on ES, but, you know, we're not trading ES, are we? Fancy if bears get it or not. Yep. 4:50 a.m. in Toronto. And you can order things already? Are things open? Open handle. Yeah. Voltaire, what is an Otterbox? Notifications? No, I'm not in a trade right now. Sorry. Bastion, never fun. Yeah, no. I feel like I'm only going to be guessing what it's going to do if I get in on this. I mean, it took out there, but it didn't break. Check the 15-minute again. I think it's going to keep going bullish. But is it going to tag me in? Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, Bastian, you're good. The rip trying one more short there. Really? Oh, there we go. Draw an order block. There we go. I was like, what's an order block? Before the big move. You're talking about this right here, right? You wanting this order block? Rohit, why? No. I like my chart colors. LP. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. It's a bit risky, but I'm gonna take it. I think it's a goodie. 10, which means I need 10. I got 1, 2. Would probably be a bit better. Ooh, English there. I'm giving it a go. That was your setup up there, above the high for short, but it's done already. Ah, sorry, SFG. Anyways, moving on. I don't know, all-time high for bullish, 1 hour bullish. Doesn't go too much with your strategy, that doesn't help. Diamante, buy at VWAP. You bugger. Really? Solid entry on the full. Well, let's see if it didn't come and get me. Oh, just because I said that, it's probably gonna come get me and then probably take me out just for funsies. Jordan, try the 4R one. I don't know if it's gonna go that far down. I don't know. Let me stick to this. Let me stick to this. Let me stick to this for now. If I was wrong, Geordie, I owe you... what? Brownies and Coke. Ooh, Ricky! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Well done. Ronix, what up? How's it going? Happy fancy. Aww. Jordy, why you gotta be a negative Nancy? This feels very search and destroy, but it's fine. David, no, I have not. Why, what's it doing? Oh, there we go. Got it, got it. Cool. Okay, well, let's see. I don't know, what type of vape juice do you like? Flavor, I guess. I don't know. I don't really vape. Voltaire, you think it's going to the order block? It's very valid. It's very valid. I'm just trying to stick with the setup for now. I'm still forward testing that strategy. Shooting upward. Increasing risk in the shadow banking. Ooh. Tristan Adams, this is... Are you asking what market this is? Or what we're doing? Or... Yeah? Yeah, Jordy. Yeah. That's the thing. It's going a little bit up and down, so this is quite risky. This is quite risky. Notifications. Start Forex. Everyone really loves Forex. Oh, so we are trading here. Yeah, so I'm trading the Nasdaq futures in specific, but yeah, this is trading on the stock market. Very generalized, yeah. You Bluxum. It did make a bearish SMT. It might be going down. Watch it be heading down. Check. Yep, it's probably going down. Oh well. Oh! I do play D&D. I love my math rocks. I'm a math rock gremlin. Sorry, I got way too excited there. Notifications, you basically do... Yeah, this is futures. These are the Nasdaq futures. Hey, Inspector, how's it going? Whoopsie, we're in. Let's see if the entry down there would have been the correct one or not. Come on. Respect 1. 3. For me, this is an A+ setup. Let's see what happens. Oh, cool. Notifications, that's awesome. Huh. Jody, that's so cool. Okay. You play a dwarf bard. You play normal. Oh, cool. That's really cool, Tristan. So you're more of a DM. Got it. I would be terrible at DMing, just saying. Also, I play a paladin. If you know, okay, high life. Why would you say that right now when I'm in a buy? Just saying. Jordy, I'm not looking. Oh no. It's not looking great. Oh well, let's see what happens. Jordy, you know this feeling, damn. Oh well, it's in now, and it is what it is. Now you just leave it alone. Hell yeah, Tristan. You get the combat with some magic spells. It's amazing. I don't know, Jordy. This was the whole argument I was saying. It doesn't... If I take 5 off at 1R, I might as well take all 10 off at 1R. I would earn the same amount if it then went up to hit the 2R. So this was the whole argument I was having. Math-wise, does it not just make more sense to just then take all 10 off at 1R? I'll earn the same amount and it's a higher possibility of it hitting. It's fidget spinner time, yeah. I know, high life, I know. One more? Who's that? Also, thanks for the super chat. Who is the... Who that? Who is that? Is that like someone really well known that I do not know? High life, closed bull, no self view. Okay. Tristan, yeah, but I'm really bad at flirting, so it's fine with me. Reduce the stop loss half when it hits 1R. There we go. That's a good idea, Jordy. Let's do that. I like that. That's better. So that was the whole argument that was going on in my brain. And actually LP pointed it out and I was like, huh. It's valid, you know, if you take off half at 1R, why not just take off everything at 1R? You're going to be earning the same amount as if it went and touched 2R. Oh, cool, I think. So Jordy, that's valid. Let's maybe do that. Oh, okay, bye. You take risk off when there's a strong separation from EMA. Then makes sense. You know, like you said, just it's confluences. Oh my gosh, of course now we have to be stuck in a rage. Chef Treads, what up? How's it going? I haven't, Ricky. I'm sorry. I have not. It's been busy. It's been busy. That's all I'm gonna say. It's been busy. But I must. Well, I turtle soup that entry stop loss moved and breaking and risk green trade for me. The swing low and Asia mid. Okay, rip. Let's see what happens. Wait, Tristan, are you leaving? Aw. I was talking about math rocks. I was gonna say I can go show you my math rocks. I like my math rocks. They're really cool. No one ever wants to see my math rocks. It's really mean. Just seeing what's happening today. Oh, Chef Trades, that makes sense with CPI happening later, right? Is it happening? I'm confused. I thought CPIs weren't happening because of the shutdown, or is it happening? What's going on? Oh, he's a gambler pro. Okay. What price is 1 hour? So, to be fair, normally I just kind of... Well, let's see. Let's do this properly, right? Put that there. This has to go a little bit further down. So 1 hour, there we go, is 364.25, I mean. All that there. Yeah. Okay, got it. Transfer math rocks. Yeah, sorry, that's it's my nerdy side coming out. Math rocks are like dice, D&D dice to be specific. CPI is happening. It's a late release. Okay, cool. First news since. Okay, got it. Big move. TP or stop loss hit. Good luck. Thanks, son. Let's see. I mean, that was pretty smooth. Just saying. Okay. Anyways. Nah, chef. Okay. Release date delayed by 9 days due to the US government shutdown. Thanks, Jordy. Let's see. Harish, where do you think I'm from? If I trade CPI, I'm a pro gambler. Huh. Look at that. We must be pro gamblers. Rohit, what would you like to know? Wake you after entry triggered? Or in Hungary? I mean, I'm in this. My entry was triggered, or are you talking about your entry? Where's your entry at? Okay, Diamante, let's see what happens. I know, high life, but I'm in a trade. So... And Ricky, thoughts on it? Oh, okay. Well, what? I'm curious now, what is it? CPI comes in as expected. It's an easy short, just don't get blown out at the bottom. Okay, Sven. You have a live account with a bounce, you're gonna buy off the VWAP bounce. Hey, Coach Carter. You're new here. Do I have a link to my setups, PDF, or video? I mean, I have a very brief short that explains it. Yeah, if you go check out my shorts, I very briefly explain it. Damn, Harisham, why do you want my exact location? That sounds terrifying. Anyway. Ah, nice. Akash, awesome. Shandan, I'm so hardworking. Thank you. I try. Geordie, in all honesty, I feel oddly calm. Yeah, like oddly calm. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I feel like whatever it does, it is what it is, right? Hey! Shanak, how's it going? Okay, news gambling, stick to one instrument, then go to 1 minute and look at candle movements before and during news. Okay. To copy trade. Nope, do not copy trade me, please. A bad idea. But news trading is a gamble, yeah. The reason you keep your stops instead of... Really? Oh, I guess. Oh, I guess I hear what you're saying. Well, I tend to, I tend to not walk away. So, I'm here until this trade picks a direction. Okay, no. No. Absolutely not. I hope so, SF. At this point, I think with how yesterday went, I'm just like... I think, Geordie, it's a little bit of both. A little bit of both. It's out of my hands now. Like I said, I'm trying to look at things with the new perspective. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Nice, Geordie. Lavish, you got an apple. Nice. I hope it's good. What? Lavish, what? Why? Anyways. Yeah. Exactly, Ricky. I sit here and wait. So it's hands off. I'm not going to mess with it. Well, unless it hits the 1 hour, then I'll move my stop loss to like midpoint, right? Yeah, hey, Geordie. But otherwise, I sit and I wait. Geordie. That's funny. Anyways. Market index. Yeah, 100% David. No, 1 to 2 hour. 1 to 1 hour is where I might move my stop loss to midpoint. Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler. Interesting. Interesting. Has it helped you, Geordie? Ooh, yeah. Guys, this is terrible. David, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Matthias, I hope that answered that. I'm in it. In this now low volume market. Lingo and planter. Okay. Why? Explain? Okay. Best loser wins. Trading in the zone. Yeah. Trade like a champion. All great, but I haven't read one that's like dramatically increases your performance and entries. Ooh, interesting. Interesting, SF. Okay. Yeah. You prefer the long-term investment noise. Thanks, Lavish. Enjoy. Oh, flip. You guys are funny. At least you're keeping me entertained during this wait and see process. Give me 2 seconds. Aw, Lavish, you're a sweetheart, thank you. Let me find the title. Okay, go for it. Plan. Whee. And a cooling price volume analysis. Cool, cool. What do we think this is gonna do, guys? I'm trying to just stay as cool as a cucumber, but it's hard sometimes. Jordy, when do you have time to like read and do things? I think that's the question. When do people have the time to do these things? Sounds like a weird question, but you get what I mean. Hey, Mr. Tread, what up? How's it going? Trading in the zone for mindset. Okay, cool. No rash air dress is really well for. I mean, what do people who trade dress in? I was in hippie pants yesterday, chinchilling hard, so you know. What? Anti-points? What? I'm South African. Yeah, Jordy. Oh, Jordy. Just because you said that, it's now gonna jump down. But yes, this is painfully slow. Painfully slow. You see, I'm literally like keeping my hands down. I'm not allowed to move them. Once you have a model, I know it very well. A model that presents itself every day, you take it and done and move on to do your things. I guess, Rip. But like if now, like right now, where I don't really want to leave the screen. Oh no. Anti-forward. Excuse me? You don't think so? Must I get my South African passport to show you? Anyways. Trade in pajamas if you could wake up in time, in all honesty, though. It's preferred like a real desk job for your mental health. Hey! SFG fan, that's valid, right? That's valid. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna dump a little bit, but like I said, it is what it is. Reading part of more of a... Oh, cool, Jordy. Okay, cool. Cool. Nah, okay. Just chilling today. User, you're very sweet, thank you. Apparently, Jordy, yeah. Apparently. Have you met a lot of traders, Rashi? Too stressed to dress. Oh, SFG, you funny. I know, but could they hurry up and decide now? That would be great. That would be ideal. Do you mind to have I passed a combine? No. It did something. It did something. Come on, convincing, right? Need a convincing one. That was not really convincing, was it? Ah! Thanks, son. Sorry, the way I said it sounded like, thanks, son. Anyways. Do you wonder how close have I gotten to passing an eval? Ah! I was, I think, $1,000 away. I think. I feel like I could be lying to you. Something like that. I'm long for the next months with the tech sector and well, I mean, I don't trade the months, I trade the days. Oh, okay, we can move this to midpoint. Oh, see, I got excited. Omen, none. Like I said, I'm not here to pretend like I'm making amazing things. Separation with momentum, risk off or add. What happened? Oh, I changed props. Diamanto. Yeah. And then just changed props. Legend Don. Yeah, no. I've done the break-even thing. I've done the back testing on it. Break-even is not always worth it. I mean, if I'd gone break-even earlier, I would have been tapped out before this pop up. I've back tested the break-evens often. And yeah. At the end of the day, yes, you get losses that could have been in the green, but the amount of profits that you lose by going break-even then makes no sense to go break-even. So probably if it goes around the 1 level, I'll start to pop it up to break-even, but yeah. But that's okay. Trailing stops. I've never really tried them, SFG, and to be fair. I mean, trading stops are definitely an option. I've just never tried them. Limante, you don't recommend? Why? What happened? Oh, thanks, Jordy. I'm trying. I'm trying really hard. Oh, for that reason. There we go. So now I think if it reaches the 1 level, I can move to break even. I think that's a good rule, because that's like, what, 80% of the way, basically? Okay, you entered 25200 with 25222. Damn! What? Wait. I'm confused. Let me have a look there. I was thinking when it reaches 1, but I mean, I guess 75% makes sense to go break even. Past the midpoint. Normally then, yeah, okay, I think break even is valid. I'll place it just under there, so if it does, you know, you're a little bit in the green. Maybe it's a mistake to make it a bit higher, but it's fine. Oh, the rip off. Okay. But break even's still good. Well done. Yep, SF. Yep, just a tad bit. I'm trying really hard to just stay cool, calm, and collected. But Jordy, I think that works quite well. 50%, or yeah, 1-to-1R, just move stop loss midpoint, because sometimes it does reverse, just tap into where break even would be, and then it goes back up, or it's going to keep going down. So, you know, either way, you've mitigated risk by half, and you've stopped the risk of getting tagged out before the proper push. Yeah. Jordy, that's it. I think that's a decent plan. I think that should be a goodie. And now we still just sit and wait. It might retrace again now that it's taken out some liquidity. Hey Zane, what's up? How's it going? How's your trades been going? Oh, Omen, sorry, I completely missed your message. You thought I had a fund account, so I'm still working on getting to that milestone. Yes, I am. And this is the journey to get there. Legend, don't worry, I also saw that. Don't stress, I know, it's a lot. There's a lot going on. Yes. Thanks, Johnny, you're really funny, thank you. I am from South Africa, yes. Real tilter already made. Okay. Stay calm and collected. That was a goodie. That was a goodie. Okay, guys. Oh, and now because I put the correct amount of contracts in, I'm actually up $400 for today. Hey, guys. I only had to sit here for like 20 minutes. More. That was like a 30-minute trade. How long was this? Yep. Nearly a 30-minute trade. Okay. No. Whew, okay, guys. And all the way to Asia highs. Nice. Broke that resistance level and now we're pumping. Yep. High life. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. That was awesome. Yeah, no, exactly. Jordy, just go. I'm done. Okay, let me go. I do have to go to the horses now. I'm running so late, but I was not leaving before this trade closed. You guys were amazing. Thank you for believing in me, Jordy. Thank you with all the rules and keeping me centered. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Yeah, 100%. Let's call it. I'll be back for New York. Let's see what the markets bring. If it brings something solid like this, I'll go for it. If not, it is what it is. Okay, I love you guys madly. See you for New York Open. Yeah? Yeah, let's do this. Bye.